Hello, my name is Maria, as known as Letter Alpha. I'm pleased to present you my brand new unique set of brushes inspired by the work of great Klimt, one of the brightest representatives of Viennese Art Nouveau. His masterpieces has bright colors, they are decoratively stylized, their background and the rich clothes of the characters are filled with fancy ornaments. This recognizable style is appreciated all over the world, and presented Procreate Brushset is a modern interpretation of the art techniques of this style, and I hope it will inspire you to create your own modern masterpiece. So let's create something. I want to create a cover for my blog. So let's make it square. For example, okay. At first, I should draw background. I will use special brushes for background, like mosaic strokes or background soft, and some painting brushes. Here they are. There is a palette for a modern masterpiece. It will help you to choose suitable colors for clean paintings, and there is a great variety of them, so you can choose bright or more pastel colors. Let's fill layer with green. Okay, and what's going on when I use mosaic strokes flat? Let's choose darker color, and so you can see there is effect like I draw with a flat brush, making some strokes, but the color is variable, so there is such beautiful effect. You can use round brush, you can use a soft brushes, so you can make some places more filled with color. Or then add more mosaic strokes. So this is it. I want to make cover, so there will be a place when I will write the name of the post. So let's use stamps, something like this. You can duplicate it, so you can see it's become more bold, and then I will write the name of the post. Let's make it in the center. That's right. I can draw something with painting brushes, for example, acrylic. Let's choose another color. I can draw some shapes. You can see some special effect, like a drawn real brushes. Or if I don't know how to draw some shape, or I want some inspiration, I go to stamps, and there is some shape stamps, or you can see elements like spirals, flowers, and for example people. Let's make it gold. Like this. Now it's not very gold, it's like a gold color, but I can make effect of gold much brighter. So I gave clipping mask, choose dark color like this, go to gold brushes, and for example make soft texture. So it looks like real gold. Now let's add some more gold. You can use texture not only on stamps but itself. For example, in some areas, and like this. Let's add some stamps with red. For example, I like these flower stamps. You can change size. Let's add, for example, spiral. Add you can add spirals in strokes like this. Let's make some gold spirals, maybe on this way, like some pattern. You can make form that you like. Don't need to draw every element. So this is super quick. Let's add gold texture other way, alpha lock. Let's add glitter. I like how it looks. You can add splatters. Maybe some mosaic flowers. And let's write the name of my post. So this is gold brush. make it more yellow. It's a bit more bright. Okay. So it looks like real gold. And so let's add some texture at the top. For example, canvas. Pasting for about 15%. So it takes 10 minutes to create such beautiful cover. So I thank you for your attention, and I wish you to create your own modern masterpiece. Thank you, bye bye.